رسول الله وآله وصحبه ومن والاه. أيها الإخوة المسلمون في باكستان،
He was with him the whole time. He was his number 2 man, his deputy at the time the terrorist attacked 9/11. And 1 week ago, after being advised that the conditions were optimal, I gave the final approval to go get him. And the mission was a success. None of his family members were hurt, and there were no civilian casualties. He played a key role in the bombing of U.S. embassies in Kenya and Tanzania, killing 224 and wounding over 4,500 others. He carved a trail of murder and violence against American citizens, American service members, American diplomats, and American interests. Now, justice has been delivered, and this terrorist leader is no more.
فإني أزف إلى المسلمين في العالم عامة وفي شبه القارة الهندية. المسلمين والمجاهدين عامة وفي أفغانستان خاصة